that curb. Good morning, everybody. My name's Colton and welcome back to another trucking vlog. We just woke up here at a rest area right off of 287 and we're heading to Paramus, New Jersey. We're going to a room and board company that it's undeveloped. So we're basically going to an undeveloped location, which is really funny. This is the first time any of us have ever been here. I'm the first truck to be delivering to this place as far as cargo. So yeah, and so we got a looks like a 49-minute, we got 49 minutes to get there. It's only 34 miles. We got a 3-minute delay. Whoopee freaking kaye. I don't freaking like that. We already got our next load. It's going I can't remember the town name, but it's going from New Jersey to Garysburg, North Carolina. Thank you. To the Lowe's distribution center. Now, you remember a few videos ago I said I had this revolutionary item that I was supposed to show you guys, and I totally forgot because it got hidden over there on the passenger seat. That is supposed to help prevent deer strike. It's this item right here. This little booger right here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. This little booger right here sticks onto your front bumper, and supposedly it makes a noise. Supposedly it makes a frequency that only deer can hear, and you get 2 of them, and supposedly a deer can only hear it. It doesn't hurt a dog or a cat, so don't worry about driving next to a vehicle and a dog or a cat get its ears hurt or whatever. But supposedly it's only just for deer. And yeah, I was supposed to put those on for you guys, but I literally forgot. Well, actually, the day I was supposed to do it, it started raining the entire way back, and I couldn't do it. And it was nighttime, and it was raining, so I couldn't do it. And then I just literally put it over there in the passenger seat, and I totally forgot about it. So yeah, that's great. But yeah, I got a bunch of other accessories that are coming along with that. So I got tons of new accessories I can show you. I mean, they're nothing major, but they're gonna be pretty cool. The first thing is, I can see I got an iPad. This is not a permanent solution, okay? I literally just got this over the weekend. It is actually gonna get relocated to up here in the top right corner, or top left corner, right here, basically in my face. So that way I can manipulate a little. I mean, I can manipulate it down here, but it's a little bit better up here, with it being up here. Plus, you guys can actually see it too. I know a lot of you guys complaining that, oh, this is in your way, that's in your way, I can't see you, whatever, and it is what it is, guys. Because then I'm going to take this GPS, I'm going to mount it up here, so it's going to be GPS up here, Google Maps up here, and then my new phone right here. And I won't even use that, period. So the purpose of this is, let's show you, well, of course, you can see all the traffic delay coming up, that we got several of it, and there's really no other way around. Right here, this is where we're going. We're going to this room and board. I don't know if you can see this or not, but we're going to this room and board right here. This is room and board. However, we got the staging area to get to this place is right here. And then we're supposed to come along here and come straight through here. This is where we're going to be coming, and they're going to be unloading us. So yeah, they're going to be hand unloading because there's no dock. So this is going to be fun. It's a brand, like I said, it's a brand new undeveloped location that even Cargo told me. Alright, we're still hooked on. That Cargo told me to be good. I'm always good at places, but God, this is freaking tight.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-287 North. Continue on the current road.
Freaking tight location. And then the only other issue with this up here is I'm getting to a half a tank of fuel and there are no fuel stops. Yeah, there are fuel stops, but we can't fuel. We can only fuel at major fuel stops. Wow, look at all this mud where freaking trucks overnight at. Oh boy, oh boy. So I think we got about 2 slowdowns. We do have 2 slowdowns coming up. I do know that according to Google Maps, you got 2 freaking slowdowns. And that's another reason why I'm using this Google Maps is, yes, this shows you traffic, but it says, okay, you know, 5-minute delay and like 5 miles or whatever. But you can't necessarily, you can scroll through it, but you got to get up way up there, and sometimes it is inaccurate. Google Maps is going to be your best source for traffic. It's going to be the closest thing for traffic. Because you can always like scroll through it really quickly and be like, okay, well, you know, I know it's you guys hard to see it, but you get my point. That's why I want it up here, then you can use it up here a little bit better. So this is going to be a live unload. There is no dock. They're going to have to hand offload out of the trailer, which is going to be like not fun, but hey, I don't have to do it. I don't have to worry about doing it. We're super light, that's the one good thing. Supposedly, Bill Layden says 20,000 pounds. Actually, excuse me, sorry. The tablet says I'm 20,000 pounds. Bill Layden doesn't even say anything on it, so I don't even think we're 20,000 pounds because I can pull up hills just fine. Santa's watching, put the phone down. Put down the phone, nice. So the last video that y'all watched, I didn't even want to post it up. I didn't even want to upload it just because I knew it was going to be kind of bad or kind of boring or whatever, because it was literally video clips that I didn't want to use, but I want to keep videos rolling to you guys. Because if you know GoPro or any camera, if you forget an SD card, you ain't recording jack squat. Nothing is recording, and I forgot my SD card at home. I appreciate you wanting to play, but not.
In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 41A46 for I-80 East Smith Road toward 46 US 46. In 1/4 mile, keep left to I-80 East.
What does that say? I don't know, some foreign language. What the heck it is? Kinda, oh, okay. Only Rudolph should drive high. Don't get high. Okay, thanks New Jersey, trying to bring everybody's spirit up. That's very nice. And all we're trying to do is get from here to there. That's all we're trying to do. We're trying to get from here to there. That's I-80. We're just trying to get there. Can we not just go across the grass? Turn on my freaking interlock and I'll go ahead and go that way. No, I don't think. Cargo, no, I don't think I'm going to do that. But I'm certain that there's been somebody. I mean, if I was in my regular pickup truck, I would. Shoot, there's nothing there. It doesn't look that bad. But all it is trying to merge
in a 1/4 mile, keep left, continue on exit 47A.
Just trying.
Signs for I-280 East, oranges.
Oranges? Oh yeah, it is oranges. The oranges. Yeah, all it is trying to merge 2 lanes into
left,
1 lane.
Continue on exit 47A.
2 lanes into 1 lane. Yeah, I get used to that with New Jersey.
Continue for 3/4 mile.
Yeah, literally our pickup, it's literally like around the curve and another around the curve, and it's like boom, right off the interstate. You probably could see it from the interstate more than likely. But anyway, well, we still got a little ways to go and we got traffic to deal with, so I will catch up with you whenever we get to final. All right, guys, welcome to New Jersey. I mean, we've already been in New Jersey, but oh my God. This is ridiculous. Okay, just lollygag out in front of me, man. Yeah. Could you guys drive in New Jersey? I can't stand it. I can't wait to get out of here, because where we're delivering is, we're 3 miles. But there's a specific route that we have to go to get in there. And the thing about this place, or the thing about here, see how much gap I have? That's my gap. They don't give a flying crap around here. U-turn. What does that even mean? When I saw U-turn up there, I thought that was like your U-turn and go back the other direction, but no, it's U-turn because it's a freaking U-turn in the road. Makes no sense. Don't you dare. You can stay over there, bud. God almighty. Nobody that's not even a lane. Dude, that's not even a freaking lane. You're driving at the freaking shoulder. Ugh. Oh my God. You could pay me freaking enough to come up here. Like, you could pay me enough to live up here. Let me put it that way. To Parkway, keep left. We're not allowed on the Parkway. Yeah, trucks are not allowed on the Parkway. Hey, there's a Best Buy. Apparently not. That's an abandoned building. Okay. Isn't that? No, it's up here. Sorry, it's up here.
Turn right onto Sunflower Avenue.
Right behind Panera Bread. Okay, okay. That's what's being built. Yep, that's it right there. Okay, okay, okay. Sunflower Avenue.
Turn right on Sunflower Avenue.
Turn right onto Sunflower Avenue.
Oh,
Your destination will be on the left.
Can I make that wide of a turn? I take advantage of it.
Arriving at coordinates on the left.
Hot dog, we made it. Whew. Unscathed too, but we freaking made it.
Your destination is on the left.
When possible, make a U-turn.
All right, so this is where we stage at, right over here. And I don't.
When possible, make a U-turn.
And I don't. Thank you. I see that. Because he won't be able to make this turn with me sitting here. So we're gonna. Come out this way.
Hey man, you got a radio on CT?
Yep. What's going on?
What are you planning on heading in there? You going to room aboard?
Yeah, I am.
I think the best bet is to turn around up here and try to back in from here, because they keep dumping dirt and stuff down there. It's pretty darn tight.
10-4. Appreciate that.
No problem. Where do you want me to go to get out of your way here? Just hang to the left to get around here. I don't really want to turn around there either, but...
Yeah, I guess that'll be your best bet. Yeah, just do that. I'm on drive time. I need to stop my drive time. Actually, I need to fucking stop my drive time. Okay.
Turn left on Sunflower Avenue.
And then we'll back straight up in there. Kinda. That's kind of the plan a little bit. That's the plan at least. That curb. All right.
No, you got to pull up. You got to pull up.
That pylon good? All right.
Hold on. Is this a curve right here? So you can pull up? You're clear though. This is
Okay.
clear.
Let me head back. I'm going to pull that way.
Want to pull it this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me get clear of that, then I'm going to go that way.
Now you're clear.
All right.
Actually, you're clearing the curb too.
All right.
I told them we need a little single axle day cab out here. We do it
No
all day.
kidding. No kidding.
Actually, I'll take this. You got it.
Try this way.
All right, good. All right.
All right, let me pull up that way and come that way. Now.
You're clear on this side. You're clear.
Get over.
You pull up a little bit. You're just gonna take it right here. This
All
way.
right. Holy cow.
In 3/4 of a mile, take the exit on the right to Essex Street, then take the first right.
All right, guys. Well, we have finally left that place, room and board. It actually was not a bad location. It really wasn't that bad. It was getting out was a lot easier than getting in. So, yeah. So now we're going to Union, New Jersey, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'll put it on the screen for you wherever I'm going, but as soon as I pull out on the street, here we are in just standstill traffic pretty much. Yeah, and then this next load is going down to Garysburg, North Carolina to the Lowe's Distribution Center. However, it's not due until the 12th, and today is just like the 5th. He'll probably have me drop it at our Rocky Mount terminal more than likely, but I'm not 100% sure. Aye. So there's I-80. So we got to go down I-80 pretty much all the way to here. It's like literally right off the road. I thought that's the way we were going to go. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. But we'll get there one way or another. Alright, bucko.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Riverview Avenue.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first right.
Turn left onto Riverview Avenue, then turn right onto the I-80 West ramp.
They don't really make it very truck friendly through here. They're like, here's the interstate. Good luck. Pretty much. So,
Turn right
Turn
onto
right
the
on
I-80 West
I-80
ramp.
West.
are you kidding me? What the hell?
Continue on up.
Barely, but I didn't hit the curb. Woo! Frickin' New Jersey. It's like, here's your interstate, and here's the town. You figure out how to get there yourself through all these little tiny turns. Oh yeah, we know semi-trucks come in here, but oh, who cares about y'all? We're only 11 miles. So, since we're only 10 miles away, I'm going to...
Any of the 4 left lanes.
I'll let you go, and I'll catch up with you when you get there. So we are 3.9 miles from our pickup, just 2 hours late. I can't help it. Oh well. But the load doesn't have to be at Lowe's DC until like the 12th or something like that, so it's not my fault that I'm late. Blame room and board, but they don't care. Companies don't care about that crap. Oh my God! Holy shit! Well, welcome to New Jersey. My God!
In 2 miles, use the second from the right lane to take exit 53 for New Jersey 23 toward US 46 Wayne. Head north toward Union Boulevard. Continue for half a mile.
I didn't mean to freak you out. I didn't mean to yell at that, but damn, that scared the shit.
On half mile, take the ramp on the right to US 46 West.
Two miles and we got a delay. 2 miles goes 6 miles. And you always get people that just keep on going to the red light, but they just keep on trucking right on through it. And then you get people like that there. Yep, let's get in front of the big old truck. Why
Use
not?
the right lane to take the US 46 West ramp.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the third right.
Turn left onto Minnesink Road, then turn right onto Riverview Drive.
least we still got a green. Go on, people.
Turn right on
Turn right
Riverview
onto
Drive.
Riverview Drive. Continue on Riverview Drive for 1 mile.
That's a continuous straight for me. Okay, well, this is a skinny lane. You have to do how many freaking turns just to get to where you're going? U-turns and crap? Yep. Why not just pull right out? Because you're on the phone, that's why.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Corporate Drive.
If you have to make a wide turn, forget it. If you don't take advantage of that lane when it opens up, forget it. You ain't making the turn. And then if you have to sit here and wait, then people behind you gets over and you would never get over. So I can't tell. So this is the purpose of this Google Maps now on this iPad. So now it looks like it is a 4-lane. Looks like a 4-lane, maybe, but it looks kind of wide. And then boom, it's gonna be a small place. Look how small this facility is. That's the purpose of the iPad. Not necessarily for directions. It kind of is, but it kind of isn't. But it's also just for that right there.
Turn right on Corporate Drive.
Turn right onto Corporate Drive, then turn right to stay on Corporate Drive.
Oh boy, we might have to take advantage of that lane there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, since there's not really any traffic around me for once, well, nobody's over there anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Arriving at 30 Corporate Drive on the left.
That is not correct. That is
Turn right to stay on Corporate Drive, then you will arrive at your destination.
okay.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the 3rd left.
It's something Windows. Is that it? That might be.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the 2nd left.
Sushi woman, sushi, sushi.
Turn left on Corporate Drive, then take the 3rd left.
That
You
might.
have arrived.
That's got to be it right there. All right. Well,
When possible, make a U-turn, then turn left.
All right. Well, let me put you guys down, and I'll see what we're dealing with here. Actually, crap. What? Okay. That's nice to know. Parking area is subject to flooding. That's really nice to know. Oh my goodness. Well, at least they got three
Turn left, then turn left.
docks empty, at least. We're gonna have to do a blind side. Great. This is gonna be not fun. this freaking trailer over. Oh my goodness. Okay. I probably won't be able to get under it. Well, I might be able to. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be exact, because there's 3 spots. She said any door I can get into. Did I just nail it? Oh my God. Did I just one time back a blindside back? Guys. Guys. Let me check. Yeah, I'm crooked. I am angled a little bit, but I can still get the dock plate in there. I just wonder if I should go ahead and pull up. Real slow. Yeah. But I got in there perfectly. I just want to be straight is all. Straighter. If I line up with that crack in the road. Oh. There we go. Dang it, I'm still way off. Freaking, come on. There we go, that's much better. There we go. Doing it. Okay. Well, I got into the dock first time. I got into the dock first thing. I just wanted to make it straighter just to make it easier for them. So we're going to do a quick little installation. There's nothing to it. Really, there's nothing to it. Alright, so we're going to turn this into optimized idle. So that way it's not loud up there. We're gonna come up here. Preferably you should get like rubbing alcohol to clean it, but I don't have rubbing alcohol, so the next best thing is these wipes, cleaner wipes. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna install these deer whistle things on the front of the truck. And I was thinking about putting it here. I don't like that. There. Maybe right there. That might work right there. Yeah. Yeah, how about that right there? Just as long as the radar doesn't pick it up. Actually, just so the radar doesn't pick it up, we're gonna do it this way. Clean that there. Clean that there. Make sure you get all the grime and crap off. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. They're so little, I was expecting them to be a lot bigger than this because the picture showed how big they were. Oh, I can't grab them. Oh, don't you hate these 3M tape things? There we go. And that's nice and clean. Stick one there. And then we'll take the other one. Oh. What's going on?
Can I just confirm the PO before start loading?
Yes.
3394. I mean, like 30 minutes? Okay, thank you.
Okay. And then we'll stick this one kind of closer to that inside there. Like right there. All right. And like that, what that's supposed to do is supposed to detract. Detract is supposed to basically get rid of deer, scare deer away. That's what I'm trying to look for. It basically scares deer away. That's the whole purpose of it. Is to scare deer away. No batteries, no wires. Pretty self-explanatory. I meant to show you guys when I first got it, but of course I had it all over here, and now I got a passenger seat organizer coming. Oh, that's nice. Okay, well, it comes with clean with the one wet pad and wipe with the dry 2 pad. Of course. There you go. Remove mean, remove me. Wet and dry. Well, let's see. Let's see what it says. Find a place in front of the vehicle that has enough space to install the product. Ideal location should be placed with the most air circulation. Well, it's pretty much in the grill. Wipe location with a cloth if there's dirt, blah, 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 blah. Tear off the acrylic sticker. It is recommended to install at least 2 pieces in a car. Deer whistle will not cause noise interference to humans or pets. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, trucks, SUVs, and etc. Driving at 35 miles per hour or faster. Notice, even if deer whistle is installed, it does not ensure that you will not encounter a deaf deer. Drivers should still drive carefully. So if you get a deaf deer, basically saying if you get a deaf deer, you're SOL on that one. So anyway, guys, that is the deer whistle. I will link the this product down in the description down below if you guys are interested in picking it up. There's different. I just bought this one because this one has the most stars, highly rated. It's highly rated apparently. And it had the most stars, and there's different sizes, different brands and everything. So that's all the time we have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.